Alright guys, so we are in a Miata right now. I told you guys in like 20 days, but it's a few days later. I really am, but the car is an absolute mess. I mean, it's a 6-speed manual, all wood interior, Bose, everything, all leather, top's ripped, and the door's busted, and so is the quarter panel, so we are going to have some fixing to do. White gauges, it has 111,000 miles on it. But to me, this was like a diamond in the rough. We're going to have to do a lot of things, like polishing it up, I guess, in a term, or in a way you could say it. But I don't know if you can see behind me, the glass is hanging. It really sucks, but we gotta get to cleaning on this. But what I'm gonna be using is this Adams interior detailer. Honestly, I've tried it on the truck, the Mercedes, and it works so well. And as you can see, the steering wheel just looks like complete garbage. The Adams works on the steering wheel and the dash, and just around here, and show you how it cleans up. And yeah, so it's all wood. It's really nice. 6-speed again. I'm really happy about it. And let's get right into it and start cleaning. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can tell much of a difference, but here is, it's a little bit clean, and this is not cleaned at all. Steering wheel is a little bit clean, this is cleaned, and yeah, so the rest of the dash is pretty clean, apart from that side over there, but it looks a lot nicer, honestly. Looks really good. And next we're going to clean this wood up and make it look good, and clean the rest of the dash and the rest of the car that I can wipe down. There is a lot of random stains in here, like I don't know what it's from. Yeah, so this seat I'm sitting on is ripped like really bad, so that really sucks. I gotta clean this door up. Yeah, so the car is covered as of right now, as you can see, the tarp, and yeah, so that really is a downside. I don't know, tell me guys' opinion if you guys are new, if we should go hardtop or if we should go soft top. I don't know which one. I kind of like the soft top, being able to go down all the time when I want, on demand basically. Soft or hard top is like, it's winter's coming up and it's just gonna be pouring rain all the time. So I don't know. Tell me your thoughts up here, and go vote. Tell me what you think I should do, and we'll get something done, because these soft top canvases or leather, whatever it is, they're pretty cheap. Honestly, it's like 100 something bucks. And yeah, so, and hard top's pretty dang expensive, like 400 up. But anyway, we're just gonna keep cleaning the car and make it look a lot nicer, because obviously it looks like complete garbage right now, and it was pretty cheap, but I'll show you guys why in a little bit. So anyway, let's continue cleaning. Alright guys, so I know I'm focusing mainly on the interior, but it's a bit more presentable now, at least on my side, so there's not as many stains. It looks good, it looks pretty nice actually. I'm not going to show you guys really any of the cleaning, just kind of the end result. And yeah, so my phone is actually charging right now, so I can't really go any farther than this, but it looks pretty good, decent. I'll start it up for you guys. I gotta take this thing off. I'm using flashlights because I don't want to kill my battery in here. And yeah, so honestly, I think it looks really good now. I think I gotta polish this wood somehow. If you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. That would really help me out a lot, and in the long run, make this car look a lot better. But I am kind of straying away from the tan. I don't like it. It's like the Mercedes. It's literally what it reminds me of. I want to go black. Gotta reupholster this seat, so I want to get more bolstering on it. I like the cushion on it. I like the way it looks. I just need more bolstering, because if we take turns crazy, you just kind of slide around. But anyway, we're gonna hop outside the car. I gotta move this top, so let's give this a start. And actually, no, I gotta move that tarp first. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. So I guess it is a first start for you guys. I mean, you guys saw it drive, but I don't know if that's enough. So here we go. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. Obviously, that light is flashing. I don't know why. I did turn this on. It did say off before, but let's go outside and I'll show you guys what the damages are. Alright guys, so it is pouring rain, or it's just kind of sprinkling. So it is a maroon red. I'll kind of give a close-up for you guys. It is like that. The hood's a little messed up. Obviously, it's dented, so I'm trying to push it in. No badge. And coming over this side, it's SE model. The door is beat in. So there it is, doors bashed in, so is a quarter panel. That's why it is kind of cheap, and the top is ripped. That's why I got to cover it. So that really does suck. And yeah, here's the back of it, new rear bumper. Yeah, it's a mess right now, but as you guys know, this right here, we will get it fixed up. That is for sure. And yeah, so the interior is like the only problem. That seat is awful. It's really disgusting in here. I mean, I don't really think the guy took good care of it. And there are the miles, 111,085. So this thing has really low miles. That's why, I don't know, it's just such a good deal. It's an SE manual 6-speed limited slip diff, which is going to be absolutely incredible. I love it. It's just going to improve your confidence with the car a lot more. I'm new to the Miata community. I've did my research for a little while now. As you guys seen before, I'll show the video up here. I did test drive a 99 NB, but it's like quadruple the price of this, and had, I don't know, 40,000 more miles, 50,000 more miles on it. And yeah, this one's obviously just a better way to go. And it just looks so, it's gonna be a fun project. I hope you guys are excited for it. But I just wanted to give you guys that walk around. It's nothing too crazy. We gotta clean it up still. I'll show you guys all of that. And I just want to give you guys kind of an intro of what the car is, and I hope you guys are very excited for the upcoming content. But I had to kind of prioritize. See, I could have fixed Mercedes for good, or I could have bought a new car, and I decided to buy a new car, give you guys new content. I wanted to see where it would take us, and we'll see how it does. I really wanted this car for a long time, and yeah, I guess we'll pop the hood and show you guys what's under there first. I don't know why this is bent either, but whatever. Alright guys, so honestly I don't know what this condensation is. It has a 1.6 valve cover, but it is a 1.8 that is from factory. I can show you guys all that, and it has all this stuff, so it does need a good cleaning. So yeah, that is kind of what all things need, is just a good cleaning. It is obviously pretty bad, and yeah, but it's running good. It actually sounds really good, and whichever way you pull this, I don't know which way it is, but yeah, it revs quick. Yeah, no, it's literally perfect. It's fun. I really don't know what this condensation is though. Hopefully, I don't know what it is. It's coming from that right there. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, this is like its air intake, but again, I am really new to this, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, and it has factory fog lights, but I'm not sure if, oh yeah, they work for sure. As you guys can see, maybe up there, the lights are turning on. And this has center locking stuff, so I'll lock this and I'll show you over here. So ready? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's center locking and Bose system. I don't know, I'm really happy with what I got, guys. I hope you guys are excited for it, and yeah, it's really good on gas. That's real plus for everything, honestly. But once we get into tuning, it's not gonna really even matter anymore. But anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video with whatever we do to the car. Probably parts on it, but if you guys have any suggestions for mods or what I should do to the car, leave a comment down below. But until the next video, I'll see you guys then. But until then, goodbye.